Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hot topic for all the eco-conscious chefs out there. When you're firing up the grill, what's the greener choice? Aluminum foil or a grill basket? Let's break it down. First up, aluminum foil. It's incredibly convenient, right? You can wrap veggies, fish, you name it, and it keeps your food moist and flavorful. But here's the rub. Aluminum production is energy intensive, emitting a significant amount of greenhouse gases. Plus, even though aluminum can be recycled, it often ends up in landfills because it's contaminated by food waste. Now let's talk about grill baskets. These handy tools are typically made from stainless steel, which also has a high energy footprint when produced. However, the major win here is longevity. A good quality grill basket can last for years, even decades if you take care of it. This means less waste and less frequent manufacturing needed. So what's the verdict? If we're considering the long haul, using a grill basket is more sustainable than using disposable aluminum foil. It reduces waste and, over time, cuts down on the need for raw materials and energy for production. But it's not just about choosing the right tool. How we use them matters too. Whichever option you go for, make sure you're using it in the most sustainable way possible. For foil, recycle it if you can. For grill baskets, maintain them well to extend their life. And there you have it. Next time you fire up the grill, think about not just what you're cooking, but how you're cooking it. Every little bit helps when it comes to taking care of our planet. Ready to make the switch? Hit the subscribe button for more eco-friendly grilling tips, like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends. Visit our website to find the best grill baskets and start grilling green today.